and they are refusing to allow you to stay on the property. Then you can use personal conveyance to... I gotta go, dear. I gotta go. Gotta go.
What up, everybody? Beautiful drivers of the United States of America. I'm cruising from Lincoln, Nebraska to Rochester, New York, and going through Joliet, Illinois. This is what I see, a pickup truck, and I believe that's a car following him too close. At least that's what it looks like to me. Both are wrong. Pickup truck slams on the brakes. I didn't know it's gonna be this bad. I thought, I could still go 65. Before I know it, I got no choice. Either smack him in the back or take the shoulder. I took a safer option. We take the shoulder. Check out the race, guys. Pickup truck, Big Daddy, and the car to the right, Big Daddy. I'm telling you guys, these guys are big shots. Now, usually people that do this kind of stuff, or people that flick people off, 100% of them are broke. And they're just trying to show big shot on the road. Just shh. You hear that? Shh. Don't tell nobody about your monthly payment that you can't pay on your car. Shh. That's what I'm saying, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Sebastian Bach is going to be a part of this virtual concert that's going to be coming up in January 30th. It is called 80s Radical Sabbatical. All right, it's a virtual festival. Brett Michaels is going to be a part of it. Lita Ford also going to be a part of it, and like I said, Sebastian Bach. A bunch of other people are going to be in it. Kenny Loggins, Grandmaster Flash, Ray Parker Jr. also going to be in this, and it's like some 80s covers bands and things like that. But could be fun. So end of January, you can go to 80srad